Hey, this is Bradley Benner of Mastery PR and Semantic Mastery. In just a moment, you're going to be shown a great product. But first, I want to tell you about our amazing bonuses that you can only get here. You're going to get access to the Mastery PR bonus membership site, which includes several premium products and webinars from Mastery PR and Semantic Mastery. The premium products currently included are YouTube Silo Academy, which shows how to build silo architecture into YouTube channels using playlists for maximum ranking power. YouTube Mastery, a step-by-step system for setting up highly optimized YouTube channels and videos, and advanced ranking techniques for winning in even the most competitive markets. Vmail prospecting, or what's known as video email, a unique and powerful method for landing local business clients while getting up to a 35% response rate from cold email prospecting. But wait, there is more. In addition to those awesome programs, you're going to get several bonus training webinars, including monetization models, where we dig into many ways to make money online and explain the pros and cons of each. Choosing your business path, a guide for selecting a business model and scaling it to create a real business. How to outsource, grow, and scale. Learn to hire, train, and manage virtual assistants so you can work on your business instead of in it. Local lead gen domination. How to generate leads on demand and sell them to local businesses to build a passive income stream. And that's not all. We'll be adding new training and webinars regularly, and you'll always get instant access to everything that we add for free. Look, you can't get this amazing bonus offer anywhere else. Your free membership to our premium bonus site is only available when you purchase the product right here on this page. So go ahead and watch the remainder of this video and then click the button below to purchase, and you'll be given instant access to the Mastery PR bonus site. And if you have any questions, contact us at support@masterypr.com. All right, now check out what we have in store for you today.
Hello, this is Pavel from RANKwyz. This video is a general overview of RANKwyz 2.0. In the next few minutes, I will explain the idea, concept, philosophy we used while building our service, and you will see what you can expect from RANKwyz and what you can achieve with RANKwyz. An SEO campaign starts with a site, main site, money site, or client site, whatever you call it. This is the target of SEO campaign, and it will continue to be a money site for you as long as your SEO efforts are effective and continuously improving search visibility of your or your client sites. Link building is and will continue to be an essential part of SEO, but it's radically changed over the last few years. If in the past the main objective of link building was to place as many links as possible, nowadays number one most important objective of link building is to have all incoming links from high authority properties with the relevant content. Examples of high authority properties would be YouTube video, LinkedIn page, Google+, Facebook, reviews, profiles, citations, manually created blogs, and so on. And because it's extremely critical to have links coming only from high authority pages, another essential part of modern link building is building and growing own authority properties, so-called blog networks. It can be self-hosted blogs or high authority Web 2 blogs. And those together, private blog networks and high authority SEO properties, will consist the tier 1 of your properties where you're placing your links and pointing to your money site. The rule of thumb for the safe SEO nowadays is to not do SEO off-site SEO of your money site. Instead, do SEO of your tier 1 properties, your own blogs and other profiles you have, and track them and monitor. And as a result of raising authority of your tier 1 properties, you will have exceptional benefits for the money sites while not putting it at risk. And because instead of doing SEO link building for one site, money site, we now do link building for multiple properties, PBN and other SEO properties. everyone is like a mini campaign we need to promote, and we build it in the same fashion. We need to build relevant content, we need to build diversified anchor profile, and we will use combined Web2 blogs, social bookmarking, and social profile, Twitter, Facebook as a lower tier, backlinking our tier 1, that will be our tier 2 network, and to the same in the same way we build tier 3, and again it will be a combination of Web2, social bookmark, and social accounts, and tiered approach. This is the way to build compound effect of SEO benefits coming from the lower tier to the upper tier to the first tier, and all combined pointing to your main site. And this structure is an idea of the project in RANKwyz. You add your main site, you add your networks, you organize them in tiers, and all together becomes a project of promoting site or group of site for yourself, for different niche, or your clients. You can have multiple projects in your account. On the top of this, results of link building for each project can be exported to be used in other tools. You can enable back indexing services that's included with your RANKwyz account, and send all of your links for 4 to 4 indexing services to increase rate of indexing. You also can expose your links to the powerful tool GSA search engine ranker, and build massive tier 4 network using not as high quality but massive number of platforms, variety of platforms pointing up to your RANKwyz project. So the main objective of RANKwyz is to allow users to create SEO campaigns in the form of these complex structures, projects, where that different type of properties organized in the networks, and we have private block networks, other SEO properties networks, Web2 blogs, social bookmarking accounts, social profiles like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. We organize them in tiers. We allow them stack upon each other to build a tiered structure, and create compound effect of propagating linking from the low tier to the upper tier up to the money side. And the more important, we enable our users to effectively manage and monitor those hundreds and thousands of SEO properties. We populate with them with the relevant content, build links, and we enable a user effectively monitor authority of those properties in a form of SEO metrics, number of index pages, and ranking positions. And all of this can be achieved with massive combination of services available to our users in the form of content meal. Is a built-in content server responsible for everything related to content, relevant content. Link profiles is for advanced and relevant links using multiple sources. Rank tracker, you can enable your projects for tracking positions for the hundreds and thousands of keywords. And because we monitor Web2 blogs that naturally don't rank very high, our rank tracker goes all the way to the 500 plus positions in the SERP results. Index checker, all of your Web2 blogs and self-hosted blogs will be regularly checked for number of index pages, as indexing is one of the major feedback we get from search engine on how well our properties are doing. So we have SEO profiles, we have collecting most majestic Hrefs, SEMrush metrics, we check PR, Alexa, we take screenshots, we verify a number of backlinks, and all of those numbers are executable. So we collect history of changes in the form of snapshots, so you can see the progress of your campaign. So we have account store. So when you build a campaign that requires hundreds, even more of different accounts, so it's hard to assume that someone will do it manually. So you can either outsource this effort, or you can order them from our account store, where we have ready to use Web2 and bookmarking accounts with instant delivery to your networks, ready to be used. And yet more services from RANKwyz available for our users. RSS monitors automatically discover all new URLs from the target sites and send them for a massive backlinking in the form of RANKwyz campaigns. RANKwyz WordPress plugin, same objective as above as a RSS monitor, but in the form of WordPress plugin. Every new URL, every new blog post from the WordPress will be automatically sent for your RANKwyz campaigns. PBN Manager, this is advanced plugin that enable our users to manage from central place all of your WordPress blogs, themes, plugins, alerts, and so on, manage comments, view analytics, aggregated analytics, and so on. Uptime monitors enable you to monitor status and load time of all of your self-hosted blogs. Link Vault, this is online link storage where continuous rechecking. Once you place your links, or whether you build them with the RANKwyz or from any other external sources, they will be continuously rechecked every week for the status, for the presence of the link to the money sites. So instead of building your backlinks to the dead links, you can any point of time export or use links that only active and with the links to your money site present. Backlinks monitors, this is aggregation of backlinks discovered from services like Ahrefs and Majestic. This data you can use to see every new backlinks appearing to your found to your sites, but you also execute on those backlinks, automatically sending them to the RANKwyz campaigns. And of course, done for you services. RANKwyz is a massive platform, and the quickest way to set up your campaigns and start without spending time is to order done for you services. And to finish, a few areas that are currently in development and will be available sometime soon to our members to further increase the value they get from RANKwyz is a marketplace, the place where users can trade their networks, they build networks for the purpose of selling, the building authority, and buying networks from other users instead of spending time to building authority to the point when those blogs are satisfying your authority criteria and can be used for safe link building. PBN setup and hosting, and manually curated content, high quality content that can be used in combination with the aggregation of content by RANKwyz, but with the ability to edit, change, add the manual snippets and post to make sure that your higher tier properties have only high quality content. Well, this is in essence of the short overview of RANKwyz and what you can achieve and what you can expect with using RANKwyz. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your interest to RANKwyz.